Hello dear friends. Welcome to a new tutorial on Adobe Illustrator. I'd appreciate it if you like the video and stay with me until the end. I've provided these colors for you. You can take a screenshot or use any color palette you prefer. From the File menu, create a new document. Set the dimensions to 1080 by 1080 pixels with a resolution of 300 ppi and choose the RGB color mode. Import the colors into the document so we can use them throughout the design. First, create a rectangle with the size of 1080 by 1080 pixels and align it to the center of the document using the Align tool. Lock this layer so it doesn't move accidentally. Select the Rectangle tool, create a shape, and use the Direct Selection tool to modify its corners. You can adjust it however you like, but remember to maintain balance in your design. Make a copy of the shape you created and paste it on top of the original shape. Hold down the Alt and Shift keys to resize it. Change its color to distinguish it from the layer below. Select the lower layer and add a shadow. Go to Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadow, and follow these settings. Repeat this process to create similar shapes. I want to create 3 of these shapes and place images inside them. From the File menu, select Place to import your images into the document. Move the image below the shape layer in the Layers panel, select both the shape and the image layers. Right-click on them, and select Make Clipping Mask. Import all 3 images and repeat this process. Now it's time to add our desired text. Write your text and use the eyedropper tool to change its color. Using the pen tool, create a check mark and write the other texts. Again, use the rectangle tool to create a shape behind our images to enhance the overall look of our design. make the design more appealing, create several squares with the rectangle tool, group them, and place them in the areas I'm showing you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for watching it until the end. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Your support encourages me to create more tutorials. I leave you all in God's care. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye, everyone.